How to check if someone is spying on your phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Guide Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can actually easily check if someone is actually spying on your phone or not. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. But not to identify if someone is actually spying on your phone or not, there are a couple of things that you just need to keep in mind. Well, so the first thing first, simply I'm gonna go ahead and give you an example that iPhone is actually have with the two different color indicators. First one is the orange, and he'll get to see an orange indicator means the microphone is being used by an app on your iPhone. If you see that the orange icon or the orange indicator is blinking at the top of your iPhone, but you're not using any microphone, you're not talking or doing other things, but it is still blinking, then it could be a reason that someone is actually spying on your iPhone. And also, if you look at the green indicator, a green indicator means either the camera only or the camera and microphone are being used by an app on your iPhone. If you see that the green icon is actually blinking at the top of your iPhone, but you're not using your camera or iPhone, then this could be also an indication that someone is spying on your phone as well. But there are a couple of things that you just need to check out in order to be 100% sure is that someone is actually spying on you or not. The second thing that you can do, you can open up your phone application and go to the dial pad and dial this number called *#21#, and you just need to dial this number, and it will take a little time, and it's going to give you an example. Here you'll get to see it's going to show you all the details about the settings interrogation succeed, voice call forwarding is disabled, and also data call forwarding disabled, and also the fax call forwarding disabled. So you just need to look at all this option here and make sure all these settings it should be showing with the disable. If you see that any of these are enabled from here, but you are not intentionally did it, then this could be another indication that someone is actually spying on you. But there is another thing that you need to keep in mind. You just need to open up your settings from your device, and first thing first, scroll down from this page and you just need to tap on privacy and security. Under this one, he'll get to see the location services. You can tap on this one and he'll get to see all the applications that are actually being using your location services. So if you found any suspicious app or unnecessary apps that is actually being using your location, for example, he'll get to see this application. If I tap on this one, he'll get to see it's using my location. So if it's selected with the always or any other option right from here, you can tap on never in order to stop sharing your location with this suspicious application. And you can actually check out these settings. This is also help you to find out is that someone is actually spying on you or not. But there is a best way, one of the best way that I think you just need to get back to the main settings of your iPhone, and you just need to go to the battery section. If I go to the battery, he'll get to see the battery status. So you just need to scroll down a little bit and you just need to look at the battery uses by the application. So you'll get to see I have lots of application. So all you have to do is just need to look at the application that is actually being using a lot of battery. If you found any apps that is actually consuming too much battery but you don't use that application, then this app could be suspicious. So all you can do, you can immediately go to the general of your iPhone. You can go to the general and then you just need to go to the iPhone storage and you can search for the application right over here. For example, I'm gonna search for this one. You just need to tap on this one and delete the application from your iPhone. And this is how you actually can check if someone is spying on your iPhone or not. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.